Once again, we're very grateful to Apostle Kwadwo Safo Kantanka, who is the founder of the Parliament Chapel International, for his show of love and support for the children and the family. At this time, we also say thank you to the Kantanka boys. The Kantanka boys say, in accordance with our tradition and our culture, they are extending an amount of 10,000 Ghana cedis to Kwadwo Safo and her siblings. So to Kantanka boys, we say we're grateful to you and may the Lord bless you abundantly, Kantanka boys. On time Sika, from Sika, up in 1,000 Ghana cedis, and sending a young papa and on the Abushia and the papa in general. I'm out to know what I for my buyer. Or the Nesio and the Abusia and Macabo and Pemi and Sapphire Thousand Ghana. Nana, Kwesi, Kumi, Arihine, and
Rabbi, a spiritualist, hero, a mentor, a scientist, engineer, inventor, philanthropist, and the most extraordinary man we've ever encountered and experienced. To the world, he was Apostle Emeritus Kwadwo Safo Kantanka, a name that echoed with innovation, faith, and unwavering determination. But to us, he was simply a father. A man whose life was a testament to the power of belief and the boundless potential of the human spirit. This tribute is a humble offering, a tapestry woven with threads of his extraordinary life, celebrating his legacy of faith and ingenuity. Born into humble beginnings, Papa's journey was defined by unyielding curiosity, a relentless pursuit of knowledge, and a deep commitment to his faith and his calling. He founded the Christian Formation of Ghana, service to mankind, that became a sanctuary for many, a place where individuals could find solace, guidance, and a sense of community. His teachings transcended the walls of the church, instilling hope, resilience in the hearts of countless individuals, both home and abroad. He was not just a religious leader, he was a visionary. He was a visionary who saw beyond the horizon, a man who dared to dream, and more importantly, a man who's made dreams a reality. His inventive spirit was legendary. Father's creations and inventions were not just his brand Kantanka. They were manifestations of his belief in the impossible. He saw potential where others saw limitations, and he transformed raw materials into marvels of technology. Each invention, from his cars to his electrical and agricultural machines, was action. His charismatic was magnetic, drawing people to him with his infectious smile, enthusiasm, his genuine care, and his unwavering belief in their potential. Apostle Emeritus Kwadwo Safo Kantanka was a beacon of hope to the needy, widows, underprivileged, and persons living with disability. His life was a remarkable journey, marked by unwavering faith, boundless creativity, and an extraordinary ability to connect with people from all walks of life. Our father, the great innovator of our time, revolutionized, showcased his extraordinary intellect. His charisma and leadership inspired those around him, fostering an environment where dreams could flourish and aspirations could be realized. From a young age, our father instilled in us the values of empathy and service to mankind. He often reminded us that the success is not measured by wealth or status, but by positive influence we have on the lives of others. His belief guided him throughout his life and shaped his community.
Oh, yes, you know, say, and well, yes, say, yes, I know what to want. Said you must cut down, mean to link up. No moment you are yet down now, then what to want. So I was seeing, and yes, I bet nothing there. Ewo, sir, was the independence, has said. It is an here. It's in my panny dear. Yes, see, and we are done again. Aha, Marco go one put up for a museum near the Papani Tumuna. Obakata wo mabiom enra daddy body ba ho life na de ba ko ni say papa no yo obrempon oyo katachie Ghana fo nyina ani no no e na wiase so obi anim say obrempon wu a ye fa ne nto abonten say ye kwaka amamle kwan so kula ye sie na anajo akura ye din no e na edi ni si o papa no ba ho life ama nkofo ko hwe ahemfo na ba ho no obi akoko hweye enti so obi agina baabi ka se papa ni body na ma bomu amputa sini se mi si ehu ana bi no se utina mi ti be nyane ana ni ma do bia utio ana bi no si aga ba ta pe